Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I will show you how to set up OBS Studio. This is OBS Studio. On top, you can see some menu. Go to File, then go to Setting. From here, you can change your language, you can change your theme. Go to Stream. You can change your service from here. You can connect from there too. Then go to Output. This is the simple output setting. If you want to go advanced, click Simple, then select Advanced. From here you can see more options: streaming, recording, audio, replay buffer. You can change any of them. Then go to audio. You can change the sample rate and other options. Then go to video. From here you can change the resolution. You can also change the FPS from there too. Then go to hotkeys. You can bind your hotkeys from here. Then go to accessibility. You don't need to change anything here. The last one is advanced. From here you can change the render, color format, etc. But you don't need to change any of them. On the bottom you can see there is scene, sources, audio mixer, scene transition and control. From here you can add scene by clicking plus. On the sources you can add your sources by clicking plus. From here you can add your audio source, video source, etc. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.